So the cake festival has been around for the last 10 years. This year they were celebrating their 10-year anniversary, but I only got to know about it last year in 2018 and it was late. We danced, we ate cake from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And if you're wondering why they organized the cake festival, it's for cake lovers and bakers. Plus, the money goes to help a needy bright child, or better yet, goes to keep a needy bright child in school. Wait, so this year we are headed there too. It's being held at the carnival, so see you there. Yes, I got here safely. Now it's time to sample some cake. guys, right here had the best tasting red velvet cake that I've ever had. I'm not even fronting, it was the best.
Go which side? We haven't even gone that side.
Yeah, sure.
Now, let me catch this.
Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. There's something right about tonight. I come alive inside your eyes.
Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
Amekula keki ya kila mtu huku.
No, I'm even exhausted by the way. I'm tired. I haven't eaten anything.
Is it tired?
It's still here.
This is like around 3 people.
No, she's lying. I just came in.
Trust me.
Lying.
Yeah.
I just came in.
Yeah, the event is so dope. You guys, if you missed the festival, man, so you should come here
Every year.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you can
June,
sample
yeah?
dope. Yeah. They do it every June, by the way.
I was here last year.
Yeah. Oh, great. Oh, so you're here 2018 and still 2019.
I still 2019.
Ah, wow.
So people were taking pictures with these NRG radios, BMW. I just had to do it. I mean, why not? Me and my Kirehere, we went there to take a video.
up? How you feeling?
Kugaria wenyewe.
You good?
Kugaria wenyewe.
Bitch, please. It's yours now. For now, it is yours.
The closest I get to a BMW.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
For the time being.
Oh, okay. Mabawa ndo hizo zimefunguka.
Mabawa zimefunguka.
Hey, bitch.
Actually, these guys came to show off. Cynthia, imagine this is cake. Like, it's unbelievable. It's cake. This is creativity. Yeah? Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell, like, share this video with your friend. Let me see you on my next one. Love you.